this is Forrest from Signal Food Machinery Company. And now I am in our biscuit machine workshops. Today I want to give you some new introduction about our bakery machines in our factory. So follow me to look at more details about this line behind me. You can see this is a very big machine because this whole line's capacity is about 1.5 ton per hour, and it's bought by our bed luggage customers. So let's look at it from the first part. First part is for the dough mixer. This volume is about 800 kg per bench. It's very big, right? It's a horizontal type and equipped with automatic PLC control panel. You can check all the information here. And this angle of this tank can be changed through this product, through this device. The dough, water, sugar, and oil can mix evenly here. After the dough preparing here, then through this transferring device, the dough will put into this tank, and this tank equipped with wheels. So it's very easy to move the heavy dough. Then the dough will put into this part. Then through this dough cutting machine to cut the mass dough into small pieces one by one. Then through the PU conveyor transfer to above. You can see here we equipped with a metal detector to check is there any other things like metal or other materials in the raw material. So it meets the food safety. Then the dough will transfer to the above. You can see this is a laminator, but it's unfinished. The laminator can let the mass dough into evenly and small piece one by one to let the biscuit has more layers. Especially for the hard biscuit, you need this laminator device to make the biscuit flavor more rich and taste more good. There are 5 rollers in this device in total. You can check. And all our motors are use the SEW brand, the famous international brand. Then the dough will drop into this device, transfer here. You can see here are 3 small sets of sheeting roller, and each seat is combined 2 rollers work together to let the thick dough more thin, and then come to this forming part. This one is for the forming machine for the hard biscuit, cutting, and the rotary device. Then here, so when the dough come here, the formed shape biscuit will go the low layers to go ahead, and other more dough will recycled by this dough recycling system. is a customized device for this customer. It can spray some milk or water on the surface of the biscuit to change its taste. And after spray water or milk, spray some nuts or other things on the surface of the biscuit. And this device is for the sugar salt sprayer. Then this part is finished. This is for the dough processing systems. Then we will go into our oven part for bakery the products. Then come to the oven part. You know, for the oven we have the gas type and the electric type. Which one is cheaper and more convenient in your local place? We can customize this part for you. After the oven, we come to this oil spray machine to spray some oil on the surface of the biscuit to let the shelf life of the products more longer. Device cooling conveyor. It's very long because the customer space is limited, so we designed it into Z shape. You can check. Multi-layers. Then come to this stacker machine. You can see this device. It's used to make the mass or in a mass biscuit into very evenly situation. Easy for going to the panking machine. They will stack one together. And after this device, we connect it with the panking table and the pillow panking machine. This is the whole process. So if you want the machine from A to Z, the whole solution we can provide you, because we are very professional in these industries. Besides the biscuit machine, we also have the bread and cake machines. So if you are interested in start your bakery business, please don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, and please subscribe my channel. Give me likes. See you next time. Goodbye.